Alright, robot, today's video is this thing, the day I assembled it, that is to say. This was put together at a cost of about $200, including the plumbing. And I guess you would say this is either a farmhouse style or an industrial style. The countertop came from an old waterbed. The edge around it keeps things from draining down back in. I had to buy lumber for that. The grate on the front of it came from an old park bench that we had. The wood part of it rotted away and I still had this part. And then the rest of it I fabricated out of 2x2s, which are the cheapest form of lumber at the Homely Depot. This is just the drop-in type sink, and it came off Amazon like a lot of my stuff did. And this faucet came along with it. And this is the story about the day I assembled this thing, painted it up, and installed the plumbing. Some of these little fittings, got to put Teflon tape on them so I can screw them in. According to the little internet guy, you got to do like that. Then once you've got a layer on, keep doing it up. I'm not going to get that technical, I don't think. bueno. Alright. Let me get the drain in. Right there's what I ended up having to do. This is the P-trap that came with the package. I had to buy that much of an extender. I happen to have a couple of fittings that would fit on there. And now it goes all the way back into the other room, down to the sewer. That's a better shot of it. This is going to be a storage area. The one minor issue I've got on the front of this thing is my hold down blocks are a little bit too big to fit when I put my decorator item in here. I'm not going to have room, I don't think. But we're cool. Mid-century modern? No, this is urban industrial style.